This Re/Max distinctive property video is presented by Philip Gore. Wonderful, new, Craftsman home with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, nestled in the heart of 5 Points. This home has an open floor plan that is super cozy with an electric fireplace. The eat-in, chef's kitchen is perfectly appointed with its oversized pantry, stainless appliances, granite countertops, gas stove, and commercial sink. Soaring ceilings, lots of windows, laminate flooring throughout. The split floor plan has a huge master suite, with custom tile shower and rainhead, soaking tub, granite vanity. The large front porch is great for winding down. This modern cottage has the entranceway from the alley behind the home. Convenient to downtown, medical district, I-565, Monte Sano State Park. For more information, review the details below or contact Philip Gore at 256-882-2223.